Hi, I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the LATCH system. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat, remove the infant supports and seat insert, and set them aside. The infant supports are for rear-facing use only. Please see your manual for additional information about the seat insert. Now rotate the cup holders out. Then, pull the lever on the front of the seatbelt trainer to lift and remove it from the car seat and store it away. It should not be attached in forward-facing mode. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Be sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the orange forward-facing belt path. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Using the handle at the front of the seat, recline the car seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat, and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Place the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. We will attach it later. For easier installation, fully extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button. Next, expose the forward-facing snug lock off by loosening the harness straps and raising the headrest. Lift the headrest pad flap out of the way. Open the snug lock off by lifting the gray lever. Make sure the lower anchor strap is routed under the snug lock off. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Make sure the arrows point up and that the strap lies flat and isn't twisted. To tighten the lower anchor strap, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the belt path to help tighten if needed. Once slack is removed, close the snug lock off until you hear a click. Extend the tether by pressing the button and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness by placing your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than an inch, open the snug lock off, remove more slack from the strap, close the snug lock off, then retest for tightness. Replace the headrest pad flap and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Attach the seat insert if using. Your car seat is now installed.